Greetings of the day. I'm Rajma Parashari and I love doing physics. Today I'm here to show that 1 horsepower, which is the unit of power in FPS, equals to 746 watt in SI unit system. In the process, I will be defining 1 horsepower. I will give the comparison between FPS unit system, British Engineering unit system and SI unit system as required, and after that I will be doing the calculations to show that 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. There are several variants of FPS unit system, among which the more popular are the technical or the gravitational FPS unit system and the British Engineering unit system. The unit of length in gravitational FPS is feet, and in terms of British Engineering unit system is also feet. And if we talk about the unit of mass in terms of gravitational FPS unit system, this is slug, and one slug happens to be 14.5939 kg. And the unit of mass in terms of British Engineering unit system is pound mass. The unit of time in terms of the gravitational FPS as well as in British Engineering unit system is same, and it is seconds. The unit of force in terms of gravitational FPS it is pound, and in terms of British Engineering unit system this is pound force. In terms of absolute English, the unit of mass is pound and the unit of force is 1 poundal, and 1 poundal happens to be 1 pound multiplied by 1 feet per second square. This is in line with, you see, in SI unit system 1 Newton stand for 1 kg multiplied by 1 meter per second square, and here 1 poundal, the symbol is PDL. 1 poundal is equals to 1 pound multiplied by 1 feet per second square. By substituting value of pound in terms of kg and the value of 1 feet in terms of meter, we can express poundal in terms of Newton. And let's do it. This is equals to 1 pound happens to be 0.453592 kg, and 1 feet happens to be 0.3048 meters. Second square will remain as it is. Now when we multiply these two, we will end up with the result 0.13825 kg meter per second square. And you see, the kg into meter per second square, this is equals to newtons. So 1 poundal is equals to 0.13825 Newton. So this is the relation between poundal and the Newton. You should be careful while using FPS unit system because the unit of force and the unit of mass is same. Sometimes people they also confuse between pound and the pound force. If you look at the definition of 1 horsepower, the unit of force used over here is pound. So we need to convert this into British Engineering unit system before we go ahead with the conversion of 1 horsepower into SI unit system. So let's proceed with. So for doing this, we need to convert. We need to write this pound in terms of British Engineering unit system and proceed. And I see 1 horsepower as per definition. 1 horsepower, I will be using the British Engineering unit system now. This is 550 feet multiplied by pound force upon second. Now see, I would like to show this again to you. This is 550 feet and this LV, this is pound. This pound has been written in terms of pound force. Is that okay? Now the conversion next part. this is equals to 550 feet. And this lb force, this pound force, and how really we should write this as, we should write this as 1 pound multiplied by 32.1740 feet per second square upon second. Why I have written this so? I will explain. See, 1 kg force, 1 kg force basically equivalent to 1 kg multiplied by 9.81 meter per second square. Is that okay? So this is what we have been using. This is 9.81 kg meter per second square, or 9.81 Newton. So if you have force in terms of Newton, so you can convert this into kg force by dividing it by g. So over here, this multiplication, this is 550 multiplied by 32.1740 pond. And if you look at, this is feet and this is also feet. So this is feet square, this second, and this second, this is second cube. So this happens to be the value of 1 horsepower in terms of FPS unit system. Now let's convert this back into the SI unit system. So this is equals to 550 multiplied by 32.1740, and the value of pound in terms of kg, this is equals to 0.45. Let us check. This is 0.453592 3592 kg, then multiplied by, this is feet in terms of meters, this is value is 0.3048 meter, then whole square divided by second cube. Now let us write this to be, this is 550 multiplied by 32.1740 multiplied by 0.453592 multiplied by 0.3048 whole square, and the unit got to be kg meter square per second cube, and this is what called as watt. Multiply these two, use calculator, and this value turns out to be very close to 746 watt. And to be exactly, if I could remember, this is 745.7 watts. This is the conversion of 1 horsepower into SI unit system. We can use dimensional analysis to show that 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. Let's see that how. If a measurement is to be expressed in two different unit systems, then we use formula N1U1 is equals to N2U2. Over here, we want to convert 1 horsepower in terms of SI unit system. SI unit system, the unit of power happens to be kg meter square second raised to the power minus 3. And 1 horsepower, you need to be slightly careful in terms of gravitational FPS unit system. You need to express this value of horsepower in terms of the British engineering system before we proceed with the derivation part. So 1 horsepower, this is equals to 550 feet multiplied by pound force per second. This is equals to N2 kg meter square per second cube. Wanted to express this in terms of poundal before we proceed. So this is equals to 550 feet multiplied by 32.1740 pound feet per second square, and this second is in the denominator, equals to N2 multiplied by kg meter square per second cube, or 550 into 32.1740 pound into feet square per second cube. This is equals to N2 kg meter square per second cube, or N2 equals to 550 is to 32.1740 multiplied by pound upon kg. This is feet upon meter whole square, and second cube and second cube, these can be cancelled straight away here. This is equals to 550 multiplied by 32.1740 multiplied by, this pound is equals to how much? This is 0.45. Let us see it again. 45, 1 pound is 453592. 3592 kg by kg multiplied by 0.3048 meter by meter whole square, and if you solve it carefully, then you will end up with 745.7, or about 746. So this is the required conversion. Thus we can say that 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt.